Hi. So last week was really fun. A guy named Ken Yarmush, the author of App Savvy, which is a book I was interviewed in the marketing chapter and also became a technical reviewer of, came out to Charlotte to an event held by Skookum, which is where I work, the Skookum office downtown. And I got to ask Ken a bunch of questions about how to build successful iPhone apps. And that there's a video of that going to be coming out really soon. I'll be posting it to the Tappity blog.
So I had another really cool experience this week. My friend Stephen Wise from UNC Charlotte invited me to a site called Forced. It's similar to Dribbble. It allows designers and developers to share their latest work. So I posted a screenshot of the grades beta as it stands right now. So I really like the community there. I got a lot of feedback. Now it's almost, it's over 20 comments, I think 23, something like that, and lots of likes. And then also, they have something called staff picks. And that day that I posted it, that was my first post, they made that post a staff pick, which got in a lot of traffic too.
So the grades beta finally is done. We got it out to beta testers. Lots of bugs. Anyway. So I wanted to talk about how I did the beta, because it's different than the original beta. I got a lot of beta people who wanted to be part of the beta through the Grades 1 update that I talked about before. On the video on there, I said that please email me if you want to be a beta tester, and so they did. And I got tons of requests for that. So I have almost 100 beta testers, and this is how I'm doing it. I'm using a service, awesome service called TestFlight, testflightapp.com. And TestFlight just makes the whole beta process, which is really insanely frustrating, not too bad. Here's how I would say the ideal way to do a beta is now that we have TestFlight. You start, just starting with TestFlight, you can use TestFlight to gather your people who want to become a beta tester. You post a link to your website or whatever and say, if you want to be a beta tester, apply here. And they apply there, and when they apply, it takes care of all the, you got their name, their email, and they have to apply using their iPhone, so it gets their UDID as well. And so you don't have to go out asking people for their UDID, which has always been a big frustration. Then you can upload your files, your beta files, to the TestFlight website, and then you can, and each time you have a new beta build, you can send an email out really easily to all your beta testers, and they can open that email up on their phone and click a link, and it downloads it straight to their phone without iTunes or any of that hassle that we used to have to deal with. So, as you know, got a lot of work to do. So, I'll see you next time.